In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log in to SHEROES account on a web browser using your desktop. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Open up a web browser to get started. Now go to the web address bar and type in the official URL for SHEROES, that is sheroes.com, and press enter on your keyboard. Now, after you end up in the main home page, you'll be able to see login options appearing on the right hand corner. Select the same login options that you used while signing up for the account. If you've chosen email or phone number option while signing up, make sure to choose the same while logging in. Similarly, if you've chosen Facebook, click on Facebook or Google and follow the prompts to log in. Since I chose the first option, let me click on the email or mobile number option. Go ahead and enter your mobile number in the text box and click on send OTP. Enter the OTP that you received via SMS in the text box and click on submit. Similarly, if you've chosen the email address, you'll need to type in your email and click the send OTP button. Enter the OTP in the text box and you'll be able to log into your account right away. All you need to do is to make sure to use the same option that you used while signing up or registering for the account. That way you'll be able to log in and access your sheroes.com account. If the video was helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll soon be back with more videos like this. Thanks for watching.